Hey everybody, this is Hair Couture coming to you today with another video, and I decided to make this video at the last minute. It was kind of like a sparing type of thing, because today was very exciting, and I'm going to tell you why. So today I got a shipment in that I ordered. I ordered it last week, I want to say maybe like Sunday or Monday, sometime last week. And I ordered these glasses. So I do have an astigmatism. So I do wear glasses. The glasses that I did have, they were not my correct prescription. I know it's not something that you're supposed to do. But at that time, I really didn't have insurance. I didn't have enough money to refill my contact lens prescription, and my other glasses that I had that were prescription were broken. But I really didn't have the money to fix them. And you can check that out in my where I have been story that I posted up. I think last week I did a video on where I've been all this time. And so you can kind of catch up and find out, what's been going on. But anyway, I digress. So I bought these glasses, and I'm going to take them off so you can see. And they're really nice glasses. And they are prescription lenses. They are, if you look at the inside, I'm going to see if I can show the inside. They still have like the little handle and everything. They're very sturdy glasses so far from what I see. I love them. They are my correct prescription. I got my prescription from my doctor's office, my eye doctor. I had them to release my medical records. So I just called. I had them to release my medical records, and they released them to me. And I was able to use the prescription that I had for my glasses that they took from me, because they do measure your glasses. They measure your PD. They measure the type of lens prescription that you need, and all of that will be included on your medical records when you retrieve them from your doctor's office. So I was able to retrieve those items, and when I did, I was able to actually fill my prescription myself online. The company that I used was called Zenni Optical. I had heard of a couple other ones before, but I did not use those ones. Typically, they have a little bit of I want to say different shipping methods, but this particular one that I used here, I like the shipping a little bit better. So you pretty much, I would say, check it out before you submit to see which one you like the best for shipping wise. But they are pretty affordable. You have a couple sites that are still high in the dollar, but this particular site here was very affordable. They had some promos going on as well. I'm the type of person, I don't really like to spend money on $200. Even when I go get my actual glasses from the eye doctor, I do not like to buy high expensive frames, because my main focus is just to see. And if you're the type of girl that, or person, and you have astigmatism and you can't see really well, like when you finally get your prescription, you're looking at everything. You're looking like, see that, I see you, so you can see everything, and it feels abnormal to you because you're so used to not being able to see. So pretty much it came in I opened it up already. Of course, I have them on. I couldn't wait. I was going to open it up on the video, but I couldn't wait. My head has been killing me for weeks. Like, it's been about 2 months. And as soon as I put them on, I've had them on for about an hour and a half now, and my headache is like totally gone. So it came in a little bag like this. I'm going to do it like this so you can't really see my personal information, but that's me. And it came in a little UPS baggie. Okay, it came UPS Express. Inside this baggie, when you open it up, it comes with a little bag like this. And it has a little scan on there. Okay, and it says ZenniOptical.com. Okay. And it has nice little bubble wrap in the inside, so you don't have to worry about them getting broken. It's really safe. It comes in a nice hard case. Okay, see, it has the bubble wrap in the inside. And it comes with a nice little case. On the back, it also says ZenniOptical.com. And this card actually was on the outside, and so was this. I'll explain where this was, but it comes with the case. I'm going to show you the inside of the case. It has a suede, nice little suede bottom. It also says Zenni.com as well. And then it has a little thank you card that comes with it. And then on the back, it just has like their information on here. So it says, congratulations, you just upped your frame game. Share a pic on social media with hashtag just got my Zennies. Okay, and they give you their contact information as well as their contact email if you have any questions about your glasses. Excuse me, I have the hiccups. Now, when I received the glasses, I don't think I put it in here. I think I left it in my room. But the glasses come in a zip. They come in this, okay, in a Ziploc baggie, all right, and this is wrapped around the frames, okay. So let me see. It's wrapped around the frames like this. These have little papers on them. And then it comes in a Ziploc baggie inside of your case. So when you take it out of here, it will be already in the case. And then when you open it up, it comes with this nice thick fiber sheet. Not sheet. Fiber cloth here. And it says Zenni Optical as well. On the back side, it's a little different fabric on the back side, but it's pretty big for a cleaning cloth. I've had glasses, but I haven't had a cloth that was actually this big and this thick. So I'm actually glad about this. And it's really soft and it's really nice. So overall, my first impressions of ZenniOptical.com is great so far. I'm going to, of course, keep you updated on the longevity of these. The overall cost was $9.98. Yes, you heard right. For the frames and the lenses were $9.98. Typically, when I go to the eye doctor, I have to get my lenses sent to the lab. And if anyone has terrible vision like me, when they say your lenses have to get sent to the lab, what that mean? That means your eye vision is jacked up, okay? So typically, because they have to go to the lab, they already are expensive because I have astigmatism in my left eye. So because of that alone, the lenses typically cost a lot. Not even with just the frames. Even with the frames, like my glasses typically cost, I'm going to spend at least $180, $190 without a designer frame. When I went to try to get a designer frame with my prescription, because my prescription has to be sent to the lab and it has to have extra stuff done to it, it was like $400 almost. So yes, glasses can be very expensive. This was a cheaper alternative. The shipping cost ranges depending on which shipping method you choose. Now my head had been hurting so bad and for so long, I was like, you know what? I just need to go ahead and get my correct prescription so my head can stop hurting. Because at that point, I wasn't sure what it was. I was like, maybe it's my pressure. But then I remember, I'm like, wait a minute. I don't even have my right prescription. So it's probably my eyes, because when I went like a year ago and got contacts, my head had been hurting a lot. And so I was like, okay, it's my glasses. So that's why I went ahead and got them done. So I paid for my express shipping. And like I said, I want to say I ordered them. I might have didn't even order them Monday. I might have ordered them Tuesday or Wednesday. I can't remember exactly when I ordered them. I have to go back and look, and I'll attach it down below or in the video. Once I finish recording, I'll edit it and attach it. But I want to say if it was a Wednesday, I got them today. So I did pay $18 for the shipping, but $9 for the glasses and the lenses, and the $18 for the shipping cost. To me, that is not bad compared to spending $70, $80, $90, $100, $200, $300, $400 on some glasses. They also can do bifocal. If you have a bifocal, they can do bifocals. They can do all of that. They even have prescription sunglasses on there. If you prefer contacts, you can also order contacts as well. I am going to order contacts right now. I really can't afford it, so I'm going to stick it out with my glasses for right now because they are $23 a box for Air Optic for astigmatisms. So, and that's for the monthly changing my monthly. That's not even for a daily lens or whatever. The different kinds of lenses, they get a little bit more expensive, but yeah. They do reading glasses, near or farsighted. If you prefer for them to contact your doctor, if you feel like you're not gonna do it right, they have a form attached to your order, and they will contact the doctor's office to go ahead and get your prescription on there. Or if you're not sure if it's right, they can get it corrected. But if you're like me and you really, having a hard time and you need some glasses, you broke them, you need to replace them, and you don't want to spend a lot of money on getting some new glasses, ZenniOptical.com, okay? ZenniOptical.com. So when I first got them, everything was perfectly fine. I put them on. My eyes had to get adjusted because I haven't had my actual prescription in a long time, so my eyes were a little sore. But now they're fine. Like, I can see it. It doesn't bother me. Like, it's still adjusting a little bit, but as far as the soreness, it's gone. Now I know my eyes going to be a little tired. They tell you that even when you go to the eye doctor after getting your new prescription and wearing them for like the day or for about an hour or so, however long. Your eyes are going to be a little tired because it has to get adjusted to your prescription. So I'm expecting that. That's nothing new to me, especially when you wear glasses like I do and you have the issues that I have, or like you may have as well. You may know exactly what I mean. It does not affect anything. So that's what I wanted to bring to you today. If you have any questions about Zenni Optical, you can always comment down below, or you can always call them, or you can go on the website. They do have a way to contact them on the website, or you can call them and you can talk to them about the prescription and everything like that. I highly suggest them. Like I said, I will do some updates on my glasses in probably about another week or two, just so that we can see how they're holding up. So that was my main thing about how they will hold up, being that they were so cheap. And they do have ones that are like $30, $40, $15, $18, $19. Now if you want to spend $100 on glasses, they have that range as well. So I don't want you to think that they just have cheap glasses. They have the ones that are more expensive if you prefer to do that. But if you're someone like me who you're struggling a little bit to from day to day, and you just need to replace your glasses, and you don't have the time to go to the eye doctor, or you don't have the insurance too, but you have enough just to pay for an eye exam, you can always just pay for your eye exam and go online and fill it out, and it's a little bit cheaper, because that way you'll spend $100 just probably, depending on where you go, because some places their eye exam alone is $100. But I feel like if you have to get your prescription updated, definitely do that. If it's been updated within a year and you already have it updated, and that means you don't have to go back to the eye doctor, just go ahead and go online and plug it in. If you have a request on how I learned to read the prescription to plug it in, you can always comment down below that, and I will definitely go ahead and post a video about how I was able to learn to read my eye prescription and to fill the box in correctly on the website so that my prescription can be filled correctly. So once again, it's Hair Couture. I'm here with another video. If you have any questions, just comment down below, like, subscribe, and share. And once again, I'll see you guys later. Bye.